everyone. I'm coming on here because I'm hurting right now. And I don't want no sympathy. What time is it? I'm just coming on here to show y'all what I go through. I'm hurting my lower back. It's like aching, like really bad. I just woke up. It woke me out of my sleep. And it is like 9 something in the morning. I'm trying to show you what time it is. Stupid thing I want to cut off. Well, now it's 10. And that's me. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. And I got my hair wrapped up, y'all. So excuse this do-rag. But my lower back is hurting. And for the ones that don't know that's watching this video, yes, I have sickle cell, and I have pain. I have pain crisis, like in my bones and stuff. Maybe I shouldn't have the fan on, but it wasn't like in my face, but through air will make my bones hurt no matter what. So I try to stay away, especially in like more of the like cold days. If I had a fan on, not a good idea for me to have the fan on. So I got my good old heating pad. I'm gonna go lay on it, plug it up and lay on it. And take something for my back. Because right now, I'm hurting. And I'm just showing y'all my life living with sickle cell and how it is. And this is how it is. Let me go lay down because let me take this off. I got half up, half down. Oh my goodness. And I finally got my phone on my tripod, y'all. See? Half up. The other part is braided. I feel like it's trying to like go away. It's not as bad as it was when I first woke up. Baby, when I tell you that pain was trying to go down my butt bone. Crap, crap, crap. Okay, hair, come through. It's gonna get puffy throughout the day, watch. It's gonna start puffing up. But I'm gonna come back and let y'all know if whatever I take for it. I don't want to say what I take on here because I don't know how YouTube is. But maybe I will for a video. Maybe I'll let y'all know all the medications I take. That could be a video. But let me go. I'm gonna come back and let y'all know how I feel. Bye. Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm laying down. Uh-oh. I took something and I'm laying on my heat pad. Y'all wanna see me laying on my heating pad? That's my heating pad, y'all. It's hot too.
Yeah, I think you're okay.
Who is that?
But what did you say?
Oh, that's my mom.
Yeah, I'm good, boo.
Oh.
I'm good if you talk
I'm just on Facebook now. Ain't doing nothing. Now, the pain that I'm in is tolerable. I could manage it at home. I'm not like in excruciating pain to where I gotta run to the hospital and I'm balled up. Come on, Charger. And I'm not teary-eyed, crying. This is tolerable pain. Oh, she asked, was you okay?
Yeah, she had nerve from it.
Oh, that's so sweet. I ain't doing it.
$30, that's all.
I'm just on my face.
Been a boring night. My child, she don't do nothing but sit in her room. Look at her.
You must don't mind about that noise. You ain't calling people yet.
What noise?
Your bath, when you flush your toilet,
Oh, no.
I had a big call. I'm paying my rent. Whatever go wrong when I'm paying my rent, they come to fix it. So weird. I pay my rent too.
Okay. Now, what I was saying before my mom started talking, I was saying this pain that I'm in is tolerable. Like, I can manage it at home to where to where I could stay here, take my meds, and lay on my heat pad. Now, if it was unbearable, I wouldn't be this calm. I'd be crying and probably on my way to the ER. Like, but it's manageable. It's manageable. And thank God it's manageable, because who wants to go to the hospital? Not I. So I'm just strolling. I'm on Facebook right now. Oh, I should go make some coffee, y'all. I want coffee. I think I'm gonna go make some coffee. I'm gonna go make some coffee. And no, I do not live with my mom. My mom do not live with me. She just over here visiting. Thank you. So let's go make some coffee. Oh, man. And keep that heating pad on so it could stay hot. It's dark. Okay. on, you want some coffee?
You got some cream?
Yeah.
Yeah. You drink it every day?
No, I don't drink it every day.
Not yet.
I don't.
Well, not yet.
What's that supposed to mean?
Cause once you start, you know,
I've been started.
how long be?
When I was staying with Big Mom, I used to drink coffee with her.
Oh,
Well, not with her, but that's when I started drinking coffee.
Okay.
So I do 3 teaspoons, y'all. Cause my mom wants some. And I put the thing back in there, like so.
You sound just like a little girl.
Who, me? My mom said I sound like a little girl. And I drink Maxwell House. Y'all, I drink Maxwell House. And I'm just gonna pull this out. Rinse it out. I put 3 teaspoons in there, so I'm gonna fill it up to filled it up to about 3.5. And then I'm gonna turn it on. Close it. It'll have to stick. There we go. And it's for the start cooking up. And it's brewing. My mom watching. Let me come back and show y'all how I make my coffee. Cameron, I don't know how much you want in here. It's more. I don't want to fill it up. Okay. And the sugar. I use French vanilla creamer. And I'll get this in sugar. Good. I'm gonna take my coffee cups there. Good morning. Boop. It's so pretty. I got it from Spencer. And that's it, y'all. Look, I got that ring around my forehead from that do-rag. Yeah, my bed high as heck to where I gotta step on the dang railing to get up here. Well, not the railing, the wood thing to get up here. Back on my heating pad. Alright, y'all. I think I'm in my video right here. My pain is now like normal. But I'm still on this heating pad because I don't want it to like get back intense, get too intense again. But I'll say it's like at a 3 or 4. So I'm gonna end my video right here. Might come back with another video, but it's gonna be a makeup video. I think I'm gonna do that challenge that Aaliyah J did. Can I do my makeup in 12 minutes? We shall see. Bye.